The world of YouTube is competitive, and gaining subscribers can feel like an uphill battle. Many creators wonder if buying YouTube subscribers could be a shortcut to success, but the big question is, can you actually get banned for doing it? Let's break down the facts so you can grow your channel with confidence and avoid costly mistakes. First, it's important to understand YouTube's policies. The platform is very clear. Fake engagement, including artificial subscribers generated by bots or inactive accounts, is strictly against their rules. YouTube's algorithm is smart, and it's designed to sniff out patterns that look unnatural. If you buy subscribers from a source that uses bots or low-quality accounts, the most likely outcome is that YouTube will sweep through and remove those subscribers, leaving you right back where you started and often out of pocket. But here's the truth. It's very rare for YouTube to outright ban a channel just for buying subscribers. Why? Because in theory, anyone could buy fake subscribers for a competitor, causing chaos. Instead of banning, YouTube typically removes the fake followers and might restrict your reach if your engagement metrics don't add up. Imagine having thousands of subscribers, but barely any likes, comments, or views. That's a red flag for YouTube's system, and it could mean your videos stop being recommended, slowing your channel's growth dramatically. The key takeaway? If you're considering boosting your numbers, only work with providers who guarantee real, active subscribers, never bots. Real subscribers bring real engagement, which is what YouTube loves. And remember, building a strong channel isn't just about numbers. Engage with your audience, create quality content, and use every tool at your disposal to grow organically. At Famety, we're here to help you fuel your channel's journey safely, smartly, and with real results.